Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you a common problem in some Android smartphone. Whenever we open the app drawer, a search bar automatically appear at the top. Many people find this situation and disturbing because we just want to see our app directly open. But these extra search options always pop up and create confusion. Now let's fix this. First go to your setting and scroll down and tap it home screen. On some Android device, this option may be inside display or launcher with app drawer. Inside home screen setting and scroll down and you will see a option open search after opening app drawer on some time. It's written as a app suggestion. This is exact feature responsible for showing the search bar every time when you open your app drawer. Now simply turn off this option. That it's now whenever you swipe up to open your app drawer, you will see all apps directly in a clean layout without the search bar on the top.